there was a systemic failure of NTA in conducting the examination. One, transportation was compromised. The packet remained with a private courier company for 6 days and transported in an e-rickshaw at Hazaribagh on 3 May 2000. How much does each student pay for the NEET exam?
1,700 for the general EWS, OBC and NCL is 1,600.
How much do you make in terms of revenue for this?
Revenue, it's about 400 crores and the expenditure is about 300 crores.
Mr. Saraswati, you engage a private courier company? Now tell us one thing. There are two possibilities, distinct possibilities. One, the paper gets leaked before the questions are lodged in the custody of the Canara Bank and the State Bank of India, which means that the leak has taken place before the third. When was NTA established?
It was 17. The first NEET exam they conducted in 2019.
But 2019 onwards, the questions have always been handled by private companies or private couriers?
But in the route, en route, there are checks. And if any courier company or any employee of a courier company tampers with the vehicle in which is transporting the trunks, it would be registered on a real-time basis with digital footprints. I'll be able to show.
But how is the digital footprint not available here then?
It's not. The CBI has investigated that there is no tampering en route.
Why not in Godhra, that OMR sheet thing? They say that the plot was that the students will leave the OMR sheets unmarked, and in the time for examination is over and before it is deposited, the geography lecturer, Mr. Tushar Bhatt, he will do the filling and will deposit it. The common sense suggests that he can't do it as a geography teacher unless the paper is already leaked. He has the ready answer so that as soon as the paper is given to him. But the question is, there was people from different states had come to Godhra.
So Godhra has nothing to do with the paper leak per se.
Therefore,
except that what they are saying is that if the center in charge had made that representation, obviously he had the answers somewhere.
No.
We take your point that there's a likelihood that the leaked answers had traveled to Godhra as well.
That's right.
But Godhra, there is one clear distinction that these students had no opportunity to put their...
They are caught. Somewhere they are not caught. Something is
Godhra,
something is unnoticed.
Godhra, there is no wrongdoing at all eventually.
Yes.